Sirikal mamalo kokalo Migao mar thieth chano mar chako puonjo weche mag nyodo. Marie en okang' mar yawo dhoudi ne rowere e yudo kony kod puonj motenore kod nyodo. Martin Buru, ma en jatatiye maduong' e Migao mar thieth bade mang'iyo weche mag nyodo, owacho ni gitemo mar chwalo ote mag weche nyodo e kind rowere ma gibiro tiyo godo e chwalo puonj makonyo ngima rowere ma pacho ka. Maeri gitimo e kauntis ma Siaya, Garissa, Mombasa kod Nairobi mokwongo kapok ochwale e kauntis mamoko ma Thurka.
We thank you for your participation and good communication. And upon number 3 will be on the same page. We will have this conversation with us tomorrow.
The purpose of us being here in this county, we are pretesting the key messages that are targeted to young people and the community at large, which is addressing the key areas of reproductive health, including SGBV, that is the sexual and gender-based violence. It's also addressing the HIV/AIDS, and also we are addressing the key messages towards elimination of maternal and child death, that is child mortality, perinatal death and maternal mortality rates.
We have health facilities, we have health workers, we have the young people, but we still have this negative health, reproductive health outcomes. So one of the things that we identified is the need to create awareness, the need to communicate better in the sense that the recipient of that message appreciates the situation and what we have noticed that where the health-seeking behavior of young women has not been very promising, and especially in Siaya County, when it comes to issues and matters around sexual reproductive health. So we have convened today, together with young women from Siaya County, to look at these messages. Do they really resonate well with the issues that affect us as young women in Siaya County?
These messages are geared towards the right holders. The right holders are the community members. The information being passed to them will be that if they need any service, they're free to get accessible service.